Irish coffee Jello shots. Okay, hot water. Follow it up with a bit of gelatin. Beautiful. Stir, 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 stir. Followed by Irish whiskey. Some coffee liqueur. Stir, 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 stir. Pour in, pour in, pour in, pour in. Put in the fridge to harden. Hot water. Okay, get some more gelatin in there. By the way, you can put gelatin in almost any liquid and get it to go hard. Don't try it with just straight vodka, okay? I said almost any liquid. I'm not talking alcohol. Alcohol is going to really prevent that from freezing. You have to use hardening. You'd have to use so much gelatin it wouldn't even be worth it. And so now we lay it out on top, put that in the fridge to harden. There you have it, okay? And then we drop them out. Look like little Guinnesses, hey. Oh, we drop some coffee beans from the heavens. Look at it.